happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and we're back in my Mercedes Benz. I've actually owned this car for a year now. I can't believe it. Today, last year, I actually picked up this car and the weather was exactly the same because it was raining. It's not actually raining today, but in this video today, I wanted to give you a 1 year update of what I've actually done to this car, what problems I had with this car, and what plans I've got with this car as well. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification, so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. And if you haven't seen my previous videos of what I actually did to this car by modifying it and also the problems I had, check out my Mercedes-Benz playlist. I will leave the link in the description box below. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you my experience as I bought this car from the dealership, Mercedes-Benz dealership, and of course it was a box standard C200 diesel AMG line, and I wanted to modify it, but I'm not going to stop there, because if you've seen the videos, I'm not going to stop from where I have modified it. There's a lot more things I need to do with this car, so if you have any thoughts, leave them in the comment section below. So yeah, people, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the car, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. So yeah, let's get started. Let me share with you my experience of what I've done to this car and what problems I have, and if you stay tuned at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you the plans I've actually got for this car as well. So let's get started. Here it is. Let me just talk to you about what I've actually done to this car. So first of all, in episode 1 we did the boot spoiler, which you can see right here. We installed the boot spoiler, and we also took off the emblems, the C200 emblems as well. That's what we took off in episode 1, so you can check that out on my Mercedes playlist. And then came episode 2, which we changed the front grille to a GTR looking grille with slats, so you can actually have the chrome bits in black, or you can have it in chrome. I chose chrome because not only is the car silver, it's also got some chrome around the car, so I thought it would actually look better if I left it in chrome. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Should I left them black or leave it chrome? And then in the same episode I did the vinyl wrap to the mirrors and also the roof as well, which in my opinion looks much better than silver. So that was episode 2. In episode 3 we modified the back end of the car, and that was the C63 quad pipe diffuser. And I'm still in thoughts of actually changing the tips to chrome. They are black chrome for now, but I might have to change these to silver chrome to match the car, because the diffuser, as you can see, is all black. So I might have to change that to silver just to make it stand out a bit, because this car has also got a lot of chrome silver around, so I might change the back tips to silver. So that was episode 3 of modifying my Mercedes. Episode 4 I actually changed the mirror signals into a dynamic one, and that didn't actually work, because coming to episode 5 I put the old Mercedes ones back on, because I purchased the dynamic indicators from Wish and they were really cheap quality. I kept getting notices on my dash saying you have to change it because it's not working, so I changed them. I will be getting some premium ones very soon, so that will be changed. And then came episode 5 where I actually took the indicators off and also put the blades on the front grille just to give it that extra look, as you can tell right here. So yeah, that is what I've actually modified to the car. You've seen it at the beginning where it was actually just box standard AMG line, but now it's actually much better. It looks much better. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. In the first year I had the car, I did have some problems as well, and I did actually put up videos showing the problems that I had with this Mercedes. So I wanted to video everything just to show you my experience with the car. A lot happened in this first year, a lot with the modifying of the car, so it actually looks much different. Now the problem that I had with the car, it went to Mercedes-Benz 3 times because of the turbo on the DPF filter. So if you saw the videos, you probably would know what went on, but if you didn't, I'll give you an update. There were a lot of smoke coming out of the car once, and I sent it back to Mercedes, and they said the turbo had gone with the car and they would be changing the DPF filter as well, and that's what spewed out the oil and also made it smoke. So that obviously got changed by Mercedes, and then a week later same thing happened again. Sent it back to Mercedes. You can also check that out in the in my Mercedes playlist. I left all the videos there. The same thing happened again. I went to pick the car back up, drive it for about a week, and the same thing again. They said that they didn't put the clip on properly for the second time, and it's all sorted now. So I went to pick it back up the second time, and then drove it for a few days. The same thing happened again. A lot of oil spewed up at the top, and there was a lot of oil there and it smoked. So I took it back for the third time, complained to the manager as well, spoke to the manager, and he said don't worry, we'll sort it out, leave it with us again. So obviously I was off work and everything, and the third time they told me that they put the wrong turbo pipe on. They put the turbo pipe on for a bigger engine, as this is a C200 1.6 diesel. They put a turbo pipe on for a bigger engine, hence why it was just spewing out oil and smoking once it got to the body, because it was really hot and it just smoked. So I thought obviously Mercedes would already know about that, but I thought, you know what, leave it, as long as the car's sorted. That was my main main problem. So yeah, now they actually put the right pipe on, and that's actually solved the car. So I've been driving the car for a while, and hopefully there's nothing wrong with the car whatsoever. Now if you want to know what the drive like on one of these cars is kind of smooth, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the drive on this car. Before I actually purchased this car, I did actually test drive the BMW 3 Series, and I just felt more comfortable in this Mercedes-Benz C-Class, so that's hence why I chose this one. Let's talk about what I want to do to this car in the future. Now I've done a lot to this car, and I think one more thing I need to do to the exterior is the wheels. The wheels I definitely need to change to this car. I am looking for some genuine ones. I don't want aftermarket wheels, so I'm trying to look for some genuine ones, preferably black with the chrome outline to make it look much more aggressive on the car. So if you like that, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's what I need to do to the exterior. Coming to the interior, there's a few things I want to change. I want to get ambient lighting with this car as well to make it look much better in the car. And I've also seen online that you can actually purchase the air vents that are in the newer models, the C63 models. I will show you a picture on screen of what they look like, so I want to change them as well. And also just a few other bits to the car as well, that's for the interior, just to make it look a little more better. But not only that, the screen as well. The screen I want to change to an Android to make so I can actually get a bit more features when I actually want to go through the settings of the car. So that's what I want to change. So I've got quite a lot of planned with this car. Now mechanically wise, what I want to change is, as you probably know, this car is a 1.6 C200 diesel. So what I definitely want to do to this car is I want to remap it, so I give it that extra bit of power. And yeah, that's the only thing I want to change this car. I know the reason why I chose this car on the C200, because I like the design of this car, and they only had it in a C200 and it was at a really good price, hence why I actually chose it and bought it. So the thing I could do to this car is only remap it, and it will actually give me similar power to a C220 or maybe even a C250, depending on what stage remap I actually do. So that's what I want to do to this car, hopefully in the future. And regarding some other videos, I want to take this car on a road trip. Now previously, a while ago, a few years ago, I actually hired a car and took it out to Paris. I don't know if the video is still on my Allsortzz channel, but the reason why I want to do that, I want to do it in this car as well. So yeah, hopefully when all this pandemic is all sorted, I will be taking this car out for a test drive to a different country. I love road trips, so hence why I will be doing it in the future as well, so make sure you stay tuned. But yeah people, that is my 1 year update with this car. I've had a few speed bumps with it, as you do with cars. Not everything is actually mechanically right with the cars, so you always get a few speed bumps and a few problems with the cars. And that was my update on the first year of owning this Mercedes. So I'd love your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have ever owned one of these cars, let me know what your experience is like. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again for another video.